Revolution in adjustable glass railing systems. Q90 system provides glass alignment in aluminum-based short channel profile. Glass alignment is done from inside the railing. Q90 adjustable glass railing system allows glass angle adjustment at 110 cm height to compensate for uneven stress or angular variations between glass lines. This results in spans of glass that are perfectly plumbed and aligned at the top glass edge, even if the base shore sections are not even. We offer a complete aluminum CNC machining service and can produce complex aluminum parts with 13 different types of aluminum. Aluminum parts are great for applications that require high strength, corrosion resistance, heat tolerance, low weight, electroconductivity, and overall visibility. We work with almost every kind of CNC mill and turning center, and are able to machine sample. As machined working holdings to complex organic geometries with high tolerances. With our aluminum CNC machining services, you can apply up to 13 different post-processing surface finishing options, including bead blasting, anodizing types 2 and 3, powder coating, and electroless nickel plating.